Hi, good day everyone. This is Vin. Welcome to NCR Rizal Properties. Okay, update ko lang kayo. Tara. We're here inside Havila Township by Philinvest. Alright. Pasok muna ako. Grabe init niya, no? Okay. So yung parking space natin is good for 2 cars. Kahit anong sasakyan, kasyang-kasya po dyan. Right? Ikutin ko muna, no? Ito muna tayo. Okay. So meron tayo ditong front garden. And yung ating outdoor patio. Right? Lot area natin is around 280 square meter. Okay? 280 square meter, and then yung floor area is at least 390 square meter, more or less. Right? Tara, ikutin ko muna. So may rooms dito. Hindi ko na lang pabubuksan dahil magamit yung ating caretaker. So ito yung ating service area. Itong pinto is access dito sa ating kitchen area. Pero mamaya natin pasukin yan. Okay. So may driver's room and may maid's quarter din po tayo. Okay. And then yung ating lanay area dito. Putin ko lang para makita nyo yung space. Okay, then yung ating outdoor patio. And again, side garden and front garden natin. Yan. So tara, pasok tayo na main door. Again, we're here inside Highlands Point subdivision. So Highlands Point subdivision is a prestigious subdivision inside Havila Township by Philinvest. So kung hindi po kayo familiar kaya Havila, yung location niya, meron po siyang ang main gate is along Cabrera Road dito sa may Taytay. So malapit lang siya sa Tikling and Ortigas Extension. Right? Tikling and Ortigas Extension, malapit lang siya. And of course, kung dito kayo bibili, I can assure you yung safety. Maganda po yung security. And flood free. And aside from that, complete amenities po tayo. So meron tayo mga swimming pool, clubhouse, basketball court. I think meron ding tennis court dito si Highlands Point. Playground. Ayan. So kung community sa community, talaga naman po, etong si Highlands Point or si Havila, may Philinvest, maganda po talaga. Quality community po talaga yung number 1 pagdating dito. Okay? So yun po, kung gusto niyo ng peace of mind, security, dito tayo. Kaya Philinvest. Okay, so nakita nyo, meron tayong 1 bedroom dito sa ground floor. So para po yan sa senior or guest room. Kasi yung maid's quarter and driver's room nandun po. Pero kung gusto nyo ipagamit sa ating kasambahay, wala naman pong problema. Right? Then, meron tayong common toilet and bath dito. Okay? May tumatawag. Wait lang. Then, yung dining area natin. Okay? So, yung dining area, meron magkabilaan dyan. Meron tayong sliding glass door. Right? So, ito. So, binuksan ko na para makita nyo. Diba? Ang ganda rin napasok talaga ng hangin. Then, yung ating kitchen area. Right? So, ito yung kanina, yung access, yung door, diba, kanina. So, ito yung kitchen area. Okay. Then, ito, dito ako galing kanina. Dito sa ating covered patio. Right? Pwesto ako dito para mas makita nyo yung ating ground floor. So, yung dining area, mapresko po talaga dito. Ayan, no? Humahangin. Lalo na pag binuksan nyo yan, magkabilaan na glass sliding door or sliding glass door. Okay? Then, yung kitchen area. Right? So, ito yung ground floor natin. Okay? Update ko lang pala kayo sa price. Kaya ako pala binidyoan. Yung price natin, yung all price kasi nito is 27.5 million eh. So, yung price niya ngayon is 24.5 million. Okay? 24.5 million na lang. Right? Nasa inside Havila ka na po. Nasa Highlands Point ka na. Napakaganda ng community. Community yung unang-unang i-consider nyo talaga pagdating dito sa Havila. Okay? So, okay tayong second floor. Huli natin pasukin is yung ating master's bedroom. Last na yan. Okay, so meron tayo ditong linen cabinet. Right? Pasok tayo. First bedroom. Lahat po ng bedrooms natin dito may may private bathroom. Okay, so papakita ko, lahat papasukin ko. Then, of course, merong built-in cabinet. Okay, so kung napansin nyo, meron na rin siyang shower enclosure. Okay? So, second bedroom. So, ito yung kanyang toilet and bath. Actually, pare-parehas ng design yung 3 bedrooms dito. Pinagkaiba lang is yung master's bedroom na may walk-in closet and yung toilet and bath niya is with bathtub. Yan. So, with cabinet na po. If interested kayo, yung number namin, available yan, mobile, Viber, or WhatsApp. Message lang po kayo. Direct message or tumawag kayo. Ha? Huwag po comment kasi sa comment minsan talagang hindi namin napapansin. Medyo marami rin kasi talaga eh. May Facebook, may YouTube. So, dami po nag-i-inquire. Kaya minsan hindi na talaga hindi na po namin napapansin yung sa comment section. Okay? Then yung ating toilet and bath. May video na ako na ito dati. In-update ko lang kayo, ha? Then, yung ating family area, right? Dito sa second floor, common space para sa bonding moment nyo, ng family mo. Diba? Then, yung ating master's bedroom. So, yung private bathroom natin dito, may bathtub. Siyempre, may walk-in closet po. Then, ito yung shower area. Right? And, yung ating walk-in closet. Okay. So again, yung space ng ating master's bedroom. And, meron tayong balcony here. Okay. So, ayan. Makikita nyo, sumasayaw sa yung mga dahon. Okay. So, aside from community, I can assure you, yung quality po nito ng property, trusted builder po yung may gawa nito. Kilala ko na to. Maganda po talaga gumawa to. Quality po gumawa ito, promise. Alright? So, yun. Again, from 27.5, 24.5 million na lang po. Okay? So, yan. Message kayo if interested kayo. Again, this is inside Havila Township by Philinvest. Alright? Yan. O again, my name is Vin of NCR Rizal Properties. Thank you for watching po. God bless everyone. Bye-bye.